I was asked to make a video showing how to darn socks. So here we go. First, if you can, get yourself a darning egg. This baby makes your life easier. Next, you'll need a sock with a hole in it. Try and darn socks while the hole is still small. You'll also need a tapestry needle or other needle with the big eye and some yarn or thread. Ideally, you'll want non-superwash wool for this, but any sort of yarn will work. I've even seen people use a full 6 strands of embroidery thread. The reason non-superwash wool is best is because it will felt with wear and with washing and form a dense, thick patch. Cut a length of yarn and thread it through your needle. Insert the darning egg into the sock. If there are little bits of material inside the hole, you can choose to trim them out, or you might decide to work around them. Either way is fine. I'm going to go ahead and trim them out. Sew back and forth across the hole. Don't pull tight. Now I'm going to switch to a different color of yarn to show this next step better. Unfortunately, the camera can't tell the difference between natural and oatmeal colored yarn, so it really looks the same. You'll start working back and forth in the opposite direction, except you're going to weave your tapestry needle over and under the strands of yarn from the previous step. Continue until the entire area is filled in. Trim the tails down to at least 6 inches and weave them into the fabric. Because this is a non-superwash wool, I can weave them in willy-nilly, and the ends will felt into the rest of it, so it doesn't need to look fancy. And now you know how to darn socks. These patches won't last forever, obviously, but they will lengthen the life of your socks and you can repair them again in the future.